Guys, I'm so excited about today's ZOBO recipe. This should be your number one ZOBO recipe if you want to start your ZOBO business and you want to start supplying to your local stores, or you want to just take it at home and you can start it with as little as 10,000 naira. And the ingredients we're going to be using, is unlike the normal ZOBO ingredients that you have, but you know that the basic is going to be hibiscus though. So, and we're going to make this recipe without sugar or without pineapple or watermelon, and you're going to be able to supply to a large demography of people.
I'm not even supposed to share this recipe online, but I'm willing to do that because I want you to launch your ZOBO business, and it's very, very easy. With less than 10,000 naira, you can start your ZOBO business and you can start supplying to stores. It's going to be having Lipton, that is iced tea. I don't know if there's another type of tea in your area, but I think you should go for Lipton. And another thing that's going to make this ZOBO different is pepper. And the reason why I didn't get the grounded one is because the grounded one might be compromised. Maybe they added some stuff to it, and maybe there could be sand in it. And that's why I got like a whole pepper. This type of pepper is very, very hot. And then I got this pineapple flavor, to give it that flavor. Because at the end of the day, even though we are looking at the health, we're also looking at the palatability of the product. And then this is cloves. You know how clove is very important in the body. It's an antioxidant and it helps your immune system. And then we have cinnamon. Apart from the aroma, is very, very good to the body. And this is called Chimba. Chimba is called, I think this is alligator pepper, and it has its own scent, so it's going to add to the scent. And here we have hibiscus. You can't make ZOBO without hibiscus because it's going to give you that red texture. So this is our hibiscus plant, and that's what we're going to be using. So you can see that this recipe is just organic. And again, we're not going to be using sugar for this recipe. And what is going to make it unique is that, so you have to watch this video to the very end to find out what we're going to add to this ZOBO recipe to make it unique. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right into the video. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. I'm going to remove the label and put it in, because when the label enters the water, it's going to dissolve. So that's it. Because if you want to buy the whole hibiscus, I'm not sure it's that thick compared to these ones that are like granulated, because it's more thicker than the other one. So that's what I'm putting. So this is 2 mudu of hibiscus is going in, and this is the Chimba. It has this aroma that is very nice. Some people use it in kono, but I like to use it in this recipe. So you can't blend it though, because it's going to like destroy your blender. So you pound it. You see, I pound it roughly, but when it boils, it's going to like dissolve. All the aroma is going to get into your ZOBO. So we are putting 1 cup of that. This is the pepper. Like I said, 2 cups of whole pepper, and you can get this tiny pepper. They are very strong and it's very spicy. So this is 2 cups of it into it. And the reason why I call my recipe Arabian iced tea is because it's the pepper for me. You just give it that Arabian sensation, you understand. Ginger is very expensive now, and if you can't afford ginger, I'll prefer you just go for pepper. So guys, the next thing that is going into this recipe is our cloves. Cloves are very rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, so it's very, very healthy. So we are going to be adding it. So you can just buy like half cup of clove, or you can buy 1 cup. You can't have enough of clove though, so you can just put like 1 cup of clove into the bowl. Then the last but not the least is our cinnamon stick. So our cinnamon stick is going into this recipe. You can see we're not adding pineapple, we're not adding watermelon or anything serious, because if you are to, for the type of price that for the kind of price we are going to be selling this drink, if you are to add pineapple and you are to add watermelon, the price is going to be very expensive, and for some demography of people, they won't be able to afford it. But we're looking at a drink whereby anybody can afford it, like an average person can buy it and they're cool with it. And we're also going to sell it at a considerably good price. for them and also for yourself, because you don't want to lose and please them, right? If you can get this recipe right, I'm telling you, you can supply this zobo to any store in your area, and I'm assuring that they're going to buy it and they're going to love it and they're going to come back for more, because it's almost they are taking Arabian iced tea, but then the cold version. So for me, I call this drink iced tea, Arabian iced tea. You understand? It's not your regular Arabian hot tea, but iced tea, and it's almost like zobo. So at the end of the day, you are getting people that love zobo to buy it. You are getting people that love iced tea to come and buy it, right? And you are going to make a good amount of money from it. And this is Foster Clark. This is a pineapple flavor. The reason why I'm adding this pineapple flavor is to give it that pineapple taste. And I'm telling you, this recipe does not have sugar in it. We're not going to add sugar in it. We're not going to add pineapple in it. And I'm telling you, it's still going to give you a nice taste. Okay, so if you may, and pineapple is in season, you can add your pineapple to it at the back and boil it with it. Or if you have the back of watermelon, you can add it to it and boil it. But all I'm saying is that these are the basic necessity for making this iced tea, Arabian iced tea. I'm giving you this recipe, and if you implement it, I can assure you that you're going to make a lot of money from it.
So guys, this is after boiling and filtering the chaff out of it.
Guys, these are the two flavors that we're going to be using. This is pineapple flavor, and the next one is ginger. This is ginger flavor. I know you're wondering why are we adding flavor to it. At the end of the day, this is more organic and this is more natural than your usual packed or carbonated drink. So this is just an upgrade. It doesn't mean anything. And if you want to use sugar is not also natural. So why not just use your flavor? Nothing's wrong with it, and it's NAFDAC approved. So why not? So this pineapple flavor is going to give it that pineapple taste. That's if you were not able to add like your normal pineapple fruits and the peel. So adding this flavor is just going to enhance the whole thing. You don't need sugar, and it's going to come out right. So like I said, guys, you can see how thick this zobo is. This is not your regular zobo. It has Camellia sinensis, which is the same plant that is used in making your tea bags. And I use Lipton precisely, so I prefer you use Lipton. I think there's Lipton everywhere in the world, so just get your own Lipton. And it's almost like you're making your iced tea, but then you're making zobo, but then you're making something, you know, spicy, as if it's like an Arabian iced tea side. But this is just basically it. This is a 50 cl bottle, and you can get this customized. That's this container customized for you. All those people that are selling plastic bottles, if you tell them that you need something like this, you're just going to buy this tap and add to it. So it aids your, you know, portioning, and it makes it faster. So guys, this is 50 cl bottles, and you can see the way it is. So sometimes it has this indentation. Just press it and it's going to fill it up. So make sure you don't fetch it till it's very, very full.
And so guys, that's how you start your zobo business and start supplying to stores, restaurants and bars. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.